Welcome back to my channel Code with Neha. So today I'm back with another interesting topic. Hope you all will like it. So without any further delay, let's get started.
In my previous video of mySQL series, I have discussed about replace and revert string function in SQL. You can check the video from the above I button. Today, I will be discussing about SUBSTRING function in mySQL. So, without any further delay, let's get started. SUBSTRING function in mySQL is used to derive substring from any given string. It extracts a string with a specified length starting from a given location in an input string. The purpose of substring is to return a specified portion of the string. Syntax: substring within bracket string, comma, start index, comma, length, or substring within bracket string from start for length. This method accepts three parameters: string, input string from which to extract, start, the starting position. If it's a positive number, this function extracts from the beginning of the string. If it is a negative number, this function extracts from the end of the string. Third is the length. It is optional. It identifies the number of characters to extract. If it is not given, the whole string is returned from the starting position. Let's understand this with some examples. First query is deriving substring from a given string without giving length parameter. Select substring within bracket within inverted commas web developer, comma 3 as substring. This query will return string b developer. As we will start with index 1 from left to right, W is 1, E is 2 and B is third index. 3 is the starting index, so starting from B then the full string. Similarly, if we give negative index as starting index, for example -2, so the counting of the index will start from right. Select substring within bracket within inverted commas web developer, comma -2 as substring. Will return ER as the substring. Counting index from right R is -1, E is -2, so starting from E it will return ER as substring. Similarly, try with hello world as string and 2 -3 as starting index. Next is deriving substring from a given string when length parameter is given. Query is select substring within bracket web developer, comma 3, comma 4 as substring. It will return substring as B space DE as the starting index is B and the length of the string should be 4. B is the first letter, then there is a blank space that will also be considered as second index, followed by D and E as third and fourth indexes. Similarly, for starting index -2 and length 4, it will return ER as index as there are only 2 letters available from -2 starting point. For web developer string starting index -5 and length 4, it will return substring LOPE. Try it yourself for hello world string starting index 3 and length 2. Third type of query is extracting all substring from the text column in a table. Here, using employee table under employee underscore 123 database. Suppose we want substring of first name column of employee table. Query will be select substring within bracket within inverted commas first name comma 2 as substring from employee. As you can see, only first name shown as result. To avoid it, don't use inverted commas as it is only for string, not for text column in a table. After removing inverted commas, it gives the desired result. It removed the two indexes blank spaces. Next, try with different starting indexes and length to get the desired substring in the table. That's it for today. We will discuss more string function in my upcoming videos. Hope you all will get some help from this video. If it's so, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Code with Neha and press the bell icon for regular updates. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.